Hello, this is Kingdom Precast Solutions, and we are here in Nakuru County, my Mahiu in particular. We have come to showcase one of our hybrid projects. Behind me is a two-bedroom house. We have come to lay beam and block. It is quite a simple and direct to the point process. Let's get after it. These are our delivered T-beams. They come site ready, factory certified, and we don't compromise on the structural integrity. They are strictly done under factory standards, that is BSEN 15037, and right now they are being lifted to the rightful position, first floor. This is one of the two-bedroom hybrids I was telling you about. The foundation work has been done the conventional way. We have the masonry works, and we have the ring beam and the columns, which has been done the conventional way, that is, they've been casted in situ, all in preparation for the beam and block system. We are in one of the rooms, and the installation of the T-beam and blocks has already commenced. And as you can note, we have very neat and clean rooms. It is not filled by the props that were initially needed to support the conventional slab. Therefore, all the formwork that was initially done is not done using this system. Therefore, saving you a considerable chunk of cash. Look at the perfect flow of the beam and block system. All this scope has been covered within the first 30 minutes of commencement. Our beams leave our factory with a guarantee of quality. Our beams and blocks are engineered for total compliance, high load capacity, and with all these, you get the quality your project deserves. After the T-beams have been laid according to the drawing, now it's time for us to install now the blocks. It's actually a very smooth and direct to the point process, as you can see how my men are arranging these blocks. This is the underside of the T-beam and blocks. As you can see, it has left you with a very nice surface where you can do any kind of finishing of your desire. It also provides you with underfloor heat proof. These blocks from Kingdom Precast Solutions are hollow for these key aspects. Number one, they make the general weight of the building lighter. They are hollow, so they are very easy to work with. And number three, for insulation purposes. Through our contacts, you can send us your drawing so that we produce for you a certified quotation. And on that point, these are the products the Kingdom Precast Solution offers. We have H columns and panels for your perimeter walls. We have varying heights of panels for your house walling. And number three, we have now the beam and block system for your slabs. So Kingdom Precast Solutions offers a solution for you for all your household construction needs. Thank you.